Hello there, this is Dave Allen for Maximum Questions, and today I want to have another look at iBooks Author. You can give yourself a bit of a head start with iBooks Author by getting some templates to add to the 6 templates that you get from the Apple. So I looked at one called Writer's Kit, and when you click on this one here in Writer's Kit, which is free by the way, you get iBooks Author opening up for you, and you can start changing pictures in there and dragging and dropping things in there. So maybe if I want to drag a picture in there, I'll just drag it in and drop it. Obviously that's not suitable for this particular template, but there you go. It's very easy done. You've got your different styles of writing in there, and so you get a different look for your book. And you can see what things you've got in there by going to that there, click on this button at the top here, and you get a list of all the different types of headings, subtitles, chapter titles, and so on. Now, one of the complaints about this type of book is that when you're using a load of templates like this, what happens is that all the books start looking the same. And that can be true, but these are only starting points. You can do whatever you want with these. So, for instance, if I click on this one here, we'll open up something else. So this is another one here. You can obviously change the pictures there. You can do a whole pile of different things with this and make it your own. Change this picture on the front to make it different. Find new graphics to put on there. You can have the layers as a starting point and have it look altogether different when you're done with it. So, but there are other ones out there that can be used. Now this one here, for instance, let's go to File, New from Template Chooser. Now at the moment I've got this one here which I've brought in. And I had to do save on template to bring that one in. And I'll have to do the same again with this other one. So let's go back to this one again. And we're going to click on File. And click on File, Save as Template. We'll call it Seaside. And it'll go into My Templates. Click on Save. Let's go to File, New from Template Chooser. So whereas before I had just the 6 which came with Apple, now we've got these extra ones here as well. So that's how to get some more templates into your template chooser to make your books a little bit more interesting. And I think there's probably no reason why you couldn't take some of these elements out of one and put them into another one. Obviously it's going to take time to do that, but it is possible. So we've got templates for iBooks Author for free. So let's click on gratis and we'll download those and we'll install the app. Just takes a little while for that to download, and we'll click on that and see what we've got. I think that's going to take some time. Well, you've got some themes for books. Let's click on that one, see what we've got. 14 euros, shall we say, $13.99. And here you've got an extra 80 compelling templates, it says. So there's no need for your book to look exactly like the one someone else has made. And as I say, you can do things with this here to make yours look a little bit different. In fact, there's no reason at all why you can't make your own. If you know what you're doing with a bit of font selection, getting the text density right and working out what sort of ways that you want some pictures in there and backgrounds for pictures or backgrounds for text, there's no reason why you can't make your own. I don't think I'm going to spend $13.99 on that for the moment, so let's just go back and see what else we've got. We've got templates for iBooks. This one is $3.99. This doesn't look too bad for $3.99. I don't think it's quite as many. You get 40 templates. Well, I suppose it's not a bad price really if that's what you want. You get a lot of different things in there. You've got different front pages. You've got different insides for the books as well. There you go. There's some inside pages there and how it kind of all works. So there you go, Writer's Kit. And what that does, basically, when you've got Writer's Kit, I can go to this one here. Let's say click on here and it takes me to a web page. And it takes me to the templates for iBooks Author where I can buy that other one. So that $4.99, the one that we looked on there, and it's €3.99 in the EU application store. So that free one is there just to give you an idea of what they do, give you 2 for free, and you can buy these extra templates. So this is the application that we downloaded. Templates for iBooks Author for free. And we've got 10 templates in there. And what you can do is you can just open select it by clicking on that there. And it takes you straight into the iBooks Author. That's one way of doing it. And then you can just do the file and save the template. Or what you can do is you can say go to this one here, classical photography, and we can drag that off and drag it and put it into this folder here. So you need to go to your library folder, application support, then you need to go to iBooks author, templates, my templates, and that's where you got to put them. And if you can't see library in there, don't forget that you can go to your finder menus up here, the go menu. Okay, so if you go, then click on the option key, and you see you get also library on there as well, so that's another way of getting to it. So there we go. We can take these things here and we can drag them and drop them into our folder here. And then when we go to our template chooser, we can see the ones that are available. So this one I put in there already. So let's just close that for a moment and open it up again. And now we have those extra ones just put in there. So we've got the classical photography one. This one here, just dragged those and I dropped them in. So now I could open a book on this one here, for instance. I double clicked on that there. And here we are in iBooks author. Let's go full screen with that. So here we are. We've got our book title there. So we can change this if we want to. We can put a different picture in there. We can change titles and do everything else. We can drag our intro media in there. Make things a bit more interesting. You've got your table of contents there. You can obviously change the background to this. And then you can start going into the book itself and start fiddling with it and getting it just to look the way that you want it to look. And that's the way you do it. So have a bit more fun with playing with templates in iBooks Author, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye now.